Welcome to Dr. Max, the place where your health is our priority. Is back pain bothering you? Whether you are a student, a working parent, or a retired senior, back pain doesn't spare anyone. Today, I'll walk you through simple and safe exercises to ease upper, middle, and lower back pain. No equipment, no stress, just effective relief that fits into your daily life. Now, let's understand the root cause. What's causing your back pain? It's not always one big injury. Sometimes it's the little things, slouching, sitting too long, or even weak core muscles. Stress can tighten your back too, especially around the neck and shoulder area. Studies from global journals show that low back pain remains the number one cause of disability worldwide. But the good news is most of it can be improved with smart daily movements. For this purpose, begin with a warm-up. Let me guide you through this vital step. Warm up before you stretch, because cold muscles are like cold rubber bands and they snap easily. A light warm-up protects your spine and improves flexibility. Try this short warm-up. March in place 1 minute, shoulder rolls 10 forward and 10 backward. Pelvic tilts 10 repetitions lying down or standing. These moves activate your muscles gently. After that, you are ready to stretch with safety. Now, let's focus on the neck and upper back area, which is a hot spot for pain. With screen time on the rise, neck and upper back pain become a real problem. Here is how to undo that problem. The first exercise for this purpose is neck retractions, also called chin glide. For this purpose, sit up straight, glide your head back like you are making a double chin. Hold for 5 seconds and repeat 10 times. The second exercise is wall slides. This exercise is done by standing with your back flat against the wall. Slide your arms up and down like snow angles. Keep your spine and arms touching the wall. Do 2 sets of 10 repetitions each. The final exercise for neck and upper back pain is side neck stretch. This exercise is very easy to perform. For this purpose, tilt your head to one side and gently lower the opposite shoulder and hold for 20 seconds on each side. These exercises are perfect for neck and upper back pain relief, especially after a long day at a desk or driving. Do you know the fact that your mid-back often locks up due to poor mobility, not just muscle tightness? That's why movement is very important. Try the following exercises for your thoracic spine. First, cat-cow stretch. For this purpose, sit down on the floor and come into a position where both your hands and knees are touching the ground, like a baby crawling. Your hands should be under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Now, start the stretch. Inhale slowly and drop your stomach down towards the floor. At the same time, lift your head and chest up. This is the cow pose. After that, exhale slowly and round your back upward. Tuck your chin towards your chest and pull your belly in. This is the cat pose. Repeat this exercise for 1 minute. Second, seated rotations. For this purpose, still tall and cross your arms. Gently twist to the right, then to the left. Perform 10 repetitions each side. Third, foam roller chest openers. For this purpose, place a foam roller across your mid-back. Lie down, open your arms wide, and breath. These are great middle back pain relief exercises that open your chest and loosen tight ribs and back muscles. Now, a question arises. What's the safest way to reduce lower back pain? Let's explore lower back pain relief exercises that you can do lying down. In this category, firstly, I recommend single knee to chest exercise. This exercise is performed by pulling one knee towards your chest while lying flat. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds and repeat both legs. The second exercise in this category is bridges. For this purpose, bend your knees and feet on the floor. Lift your hips slowly, squeeze your glutes at the top, lower and repeat for 10 times. The third exercise in this category is child's pose. This exercise is performed by sitting back on your heels, stretching your arms forward and letting your forehead rest, and stay for 30 to 60 seconds with deep breathing. These exercises are fantastic for lower back pain relief, especially for seniors or anyone feeling stiff after rest. Now let's talk about a specific issue. Pain on the left side of your lower back. This can feel like a deep pull or a dull ache just above your hip. Sometimes it's muscular, sometimes it's from sacroiliac joint or even the sciatic nerve. Here are safe, easy, lower left back pain relief exercises to try. The first exercise is figure 4 stretch. To perform this exercise, you need to lie flat on your back, cross your left ankle over your right knee, and pull your right tight toward your chest and hold. This targets your glute and easing pressure on your lower spine. The second exercise is seated twist. To perform this exercise, you need to sit with your legs extended, cross your left leg over your right, and twist gently to the left. Keep your spine tall. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds, then switch. Now, let's highlight a critical point. Exercises that you should avoid, because not every stretch is a good stretch. Some moves, even though popular, can worsen your back condition. Here are some of the worst back pain exercises you should be careful with. First, standing toe touches. This old school move may strain your lower back and overstretch tight hamstrings. Second, leg lifts. If done too early or too fast, they can overload your core and spine. Third, weighted back extensions or deadlifts with poor form. These are risky if you are not trained or supervised properly. So always prioritize safety and alignment. It's not about pushing harder, it's about moving smarter. Let's now look at practical suggestions for different life stages. For seniors, use support like chairs or walls, start slow, breathe deeply, and don't force any movement. If something hurts, stop immediately. For working professionals, try desk stretches throughout the day. Every hour, do a gentle spine twist, shoulder roll, or neck tilt. Micro movements prevent stiffness from turning into real pain. For young adults and teenagers, this is the best time to build good habits. Add core strengthening, posture checks, and hip mobility work to your daily routine. Your spine is your lifelong support system, so treat it kindly. Back pain doesn't have to hold you back with a little commitment. A few minutes daily and the right movements, your back can feel strong and mobile again. Which stretch helped you most today? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to Dr. Max and share this video with someone who needs gentle but effective relief. Until next time, this is Dr. Max reminding you to stand tall, move gently, and take care of your back.